Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Pro Series Pool ProZymes. The Natural Chemistry Pro Series Pool ProZymes product helps protect against the buildup of non-living organic contamination in pools. This liquid formula will help protect pools against buildups of sunscreens, body oils, lotions, and cosmetics that make up much of the non-living organic contaminants. The non-living organic load contributes to symptoms such as scum lines, short cycling filters, unpleasant odors, poor water clarity and peak load cloudiness. This concentrated naturally based enzyme formula works with all sanitizing systems. Product benefits: reduces buildup of non-living organic contamination, protects against poor water clarity, peak load cloudiness, and scum lines, works with all sanitizing systems. Usage directions: this product is designed for use in properly balanced pool water. In addition to the maintenance dose, add 1 ounce for every 1,000 gallons all at once, then every 7 days for the first 2 to 5 weeks, until the desired results are achieved. This additional amount is necessary to speed up the removal of the pre-existing non-living organic load. Useful tips: sanitizer level should be below 5 ppm before adding this product. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.